Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the partner streak filter on Snapchat. Very simple and easy to do. All you have to do to get this filter is go to the link in the description or in the comment section that I have there. It'll just bring you over to this website right here. It's just the Snapchat website. All you have to do is just click on Open Snapchat when you come onto this website, and then click on Open one more time. And then it would open up the partner streak filter for you. You just want to click on Unlock for 48 hours. And then it'll open up the filter here for you. And all you have to do is just tap on it to change it. And then it will change for you just right here. Very easy and simple to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter on your iPhones and phones overall. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.